Good morning, friends. Hope you can hear my voice and see the screen. Can you all hear my voice and see the screen? Give me a quick check, please. Okay, so let us start today's live session. Okay, and let us start with major indices. So Dow again positive, S&P positive, Nasdaq positive, FTSE also positive, Nikkei positive, Hang Seng is flat to negative. Okay, I mean most of the major world markets are positive, so the mood will always be positive here. Okay. So today we have a lot of news. The new news which are going to affect is CB consumer confidence. I mean, I mean, I want to change the time. I think. Okay, so these are the news. INR has a news. I mean, we have a news. Crude or cash reserve ratio. So this will impact INR, and as it is going to impact INR, it will impact our market as well. So 2:30 p.m. Watch out for this news. It will bring some kind of a volatility. Price will move up and down very fast because of volatility at around 2:30 p.m. So forecast was 4, and let's see what is the the actuals that will come. So at 8 p.m. we have crude oil inventories. This is also very important for crude oil. If you are playing crude oil at this time, 8 p.m. in the night, you will get a lot of volatility in crude oil. Okay, so this is crude oil. So today is 1st of August, and we have big companies which are going to declare their dividends. I mean, they're going to give their dividends, and hence we will not be looking to trade in these companies now. Okay, McLeod, Russell, MRF are the companies which we want to. Tata Communications. These companies we will not touch for today. We may again play from tomorrow. So there is no splits as well. let us check what are the earnings we have for the day. So Aditya Birla Forge, I think that's what it is. They do not play on that. Apollo Tyres have their news at around 5:45 p.m. So this will impact tomorrow's chart of Apollo Tyres. That means when Apollo Tyre will tomorrow Apollo Tyre will either gap up or gap down because of this news. Exide India at around 1:50 p.m. you will get this news. So Exide India may become volatile at this point of time, right? And Gravita India, Jindal Saw, Orient Stevens, Pidilite, Reliance Intra, these all are having earnings today. Torrent Power, so these are the companies which are having earnings today. Either you can choose to play them. If you are playing them, then first identify the key trend and then identify good track zone. Then only you can be able to play a volatile stock. Okay. Yes, Nifty P is at 28.22. As you know, it is very very high. It is, I mean, moving at a very very high range. Nifty PV is at around 3.70, expecting another 0.20 move up. If it does, then thereafter we may see a lot of correction in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is another chart which we sometimes follow. Now, as of now, S&P, I mean sorry, SGX Nifty is trading 19 points up. So expect 10 to 19 points gap up in the morning, right? So, and then a positive day for the Indian market. Okay? The Nifty option chain, as per it, 11,000 is highest support. Second highest support is at 11,200. Resistance is at 11,500 and 11,400. So this is the range for Nifty. As you can see, in 11,000 is the support here, and the support is bigger than the resistance. Okay, so this will push the price up, no doubt about it. So Nifty is going to touch 11,500 this month. Expectation is that. So let's see how it happens. Okay. But the range is very very small for Nifty statement. So this can, I mean, in a monthly chart we can see a base candle forming. Okay. So for Bank Nifty, 27,500 is the highest support. Second highest support is at 27,000. Resistance is at 28,000 and 28,200 is the second highest resistance. So this is the range from 28,200 to 27,000. This is the range for Bank Nifty to move this month. Okay, again, the supports are more, puts are more sold than calls, that this is proving a little bit bullish for the month. Okay, so let's see how it happens. Let us go to the charts now. Can you all see my rectangle screen? Yes, okay. So we know there is a lot of acceleration, and then we also know that there is a small accumulation formed in, I mean, this is the accumulation here, okay. There is another reaccumulation, I mean, these are all reaccumulations here, and price is moving up, okay. And this is a break of a reverse zone, and so this reverse zone should act as a hidden zone here. Okay, and we have a break limit zone too. So expectation is if price comes down, this break limit zone should work, and that is why you can see 11,200 they have kept their second highest support, and the main support is they have kept around 11,000. So the reaccumulation is their second support. The resistances are 11,500 and 400. So this is the range. Now, what is my expectation basically? Price will move up. I mean, it can touch some of these levels. It will come down to the break limit zone. We can take a trade from there. I mean, it can oscillate between this area. It can oscillate between this area. And there will be chances that it will again break out at the top, right? Because there is a reaccumulation formed, and if price is reacting from the reaccumulation, then there can be a breakout. Okay? So yes, to come to the reaccumulation, it will have to break this authentic zone. If an authentic zone gets broken, that means price, I mean, this will become a reverse zone, and price has to become sideways between the two, and thereafter, if it breaks one of them, then we will think of different. Okay, so as expected, price created the expiry happened here inside the range, and then now it's moving up with a gap. Okay, so if we go down to a lower time frame, we have this gap. Okay, we can cover it and we can take a trade there. Okay. Okay. I believe price should go up from this gap only. It will not come down to this range. A little bit of compression is there. Lower in the lower side, there also a lot of compression is there. Okay. So we have this reverse zone here, and everything is compressed, and we have this MIT sort of thing is there. Okay. So couple of levels are there, and a lot of compression also there. Okay. So what I expect price should come down to this level. As the level is too big, I would think to take a price action entry here at this point if price comes down. And if price comes down straight away to that area, I mean in that case, this will be engulfed. Okay, this is an authentic zone. And if it keeps getting engulfed, then I will have a reverse zone here formation. And if price comes up, I can short at the reverse zone as well. As of now, I mean, this is a place I'm not going to think of taking a long trade basically. As you can see, this is more of a flat flat thing happened there, flat movement. I mean, small intraday trades can be played at this area, 11,032 if price comes down. I mean, when in trend, price often fails to come down, and that is what happens. So here as well, inside that we have a reaccumulation. So this reaccumulation can be traded if price comes down. Okay, and yes, I mean you can trade it. Don't trade lower ones. Only trade this one. When I have some zone here, I think a trade can be executed here as well. If you are very aggressive people can also take trades here. Okay. I do not expect any of the MITs to break right away. So a trade can be executed at 11359. Okay. But this will be intraday trade and in small trades. It will not be a big trade. Okay. I have a reaccumulation there. So price can jolly well come down. Okay. So these are aggressive trades, and at the bottom we have debt limit zone. So this is also some kind of a MIT. If price comes down, you can think of taking a trade. Okay, at least for 11,400. If you are taking trade there at 11,332, your target can be 11,404. Okay. Okay then, so in Bank Nifty, what is Bank Nifty doing? Again, the reverse one got engulfed. Price return to the hidden zone. The hidden zone is giving its reaction. Now again, if it comes down, the hidden zone will certainly give reaction. Now one thing happens in Bank Nifty. This is the overlapping wick, and already that got tested yesterday. So the break limit zone in Bank Nifty got tested already, and we are expecting price to move up. Okay, so 28,200 is where the second resistance is. And 27,000, 27,200. This is the support. If I'm not making a mistake. Okay. So as you can see, they are giving us support to this level. This is a small reaccumulation form. Okay, and there is a breakout. So price even comes down to this level. I'm expecting it to give some kind of a reaction. Okay. Okay, so this level is there, and I'm expecting some kind of a reaction from this level. Okay. And yes, this is the break limit zone. As you can see, if I draw the SR here, this is the overlapping wick, right? This is the overlapping wick, and the SR is cutting through it, and price has returned to it, and it should give its reaction. Okay, so what we have some kind of a MIT structure. Price came down to it, and today it will gap up, and straight away it will go up to 28,000. So we have reached a trade basically because yesterday we do not have session. So whatever it is, I mean, now the trade can change. I mean, we should trade the break limit zone now. If you get another chance to enter, you can take a chance to enter here. I mean, I expect a move from this. Okay, so easily you can make this much of money here. I expect price to move up from this. because this is a hidden zone from a break-in zone here. So that is the reason I want to prove it. I mean, if you want, you can break this area as well inside that. So this is one area which I do not think will get breached now. Yes, in 5 minutes chart, a reverse zone is there, but that is only a 5 minutes thing. It may send the price back to this level, and this level will give some kind of a bounce. Okay, so that bounce can take the price to 28,000. If it breaks, then price will come down to this level. Okay. But I do not think that it will break now. I mean, I expect looking into the looking into this chart, there is a clear angle. This is a break-even zone. This should work. Okay. Looking into this chart, I think this will work. This is one test, one other test, and price moves up. Okay. So this is all about dynasty. Okay. I mean, somebody has asked me about which currency pair. I mean, one of you have asked me yesterday to talk about one of the currency pairs. Which one it was? Euro INR or GBP INR? So, red tiger charts for currencies are not that good. Okay, I mean, it doesn't contain all the data. You need to go to investing.com or some other platform to find out. I mean, to get data. I mean, proper data. The international chart of USD will have no gaps. But in TechTiger, you may see a lot of gaps. So the information which is supplied by TechTiger sometimes is not reliable. Okay? So TechTiger, the USD has moved, it's accelerated and then it breaks, and there is a distribution got created, breakdown happened, and now price has moved up. It has actually kept out the distribution and trying to move up. Okay. By this, it also has created a accumulation and a QN in monthly chart, a demand here. Okay, so if this breaks out, then this will be very powerful area to go on. So there is a breakout happened because, as you can see, there was compression, and I expected price to give some reaction from this level, but this level didn't get reaction. Price moved up, and now it is, it is moving in sideways. Okay, if you go to daily chart, you will know that it is moving. I expected this is a break-even zone, will give some reaction, but price didn't give me a fill. I mean, it moved up. Okay, so now what price is saying, basically it is moving in sideways manner, right? And yes, the breakout will tell us which side USD wants to go. Now there is a clear engulf happened here. So once the engulf happened, I know that this support is going to give another bounce for sure, right? So if price comes down, this is again going to give me a bounce, and we can see a breakout on the upper side in USD. So this is a chance. As you can see, the hidden zone is holding the price here. We have created a support here. So if price comes down, trade can be executed from this area. A little bit of aggressive because 1, 2, and this is third test, but third test often in a sideways movement gives a big bounce. So if you are ready to take a risk, you can take a risk. Okay. So this is about USD and I think somebody asked me about it. I mean, you remember who did. I think Euro and so as you can see, the chart is completely liquid. I mean, May Euro INR is liquid. I'm not going to take a trade. I don't know why it is so liquid now. Earlier it was not so liquid. Am I taking the correct chart? Yes. I am not taking the correct chart. I am making a mistake. I am taking a May 2019 chart. I mean, that's the mistake. Okay. So what is it doing? As you can see, trend line break, price came down, then moved up by this. Reaccumulation got created. Also, inside reaccumulation, we have something here. So there is a QM. There is a QM and there is a breakout. So expectation is that in current price is standing here and we have a QM also here in the price. And that is why price stopped here. As you can see, tested the QM and dropped. Okay, and yes, so again, price created a small QM here, and that is giving its reaction once, twice, and this is the third time. Price is going to give its reaction. So expectation is if it comes down, I mean, it can come down actually. It can come down, and if it is coming down, then this is a good area, this QM to go long again. Okay? We have certain reaccumulations as well here. Right? So yes, all these areas can be traded if price comes down. And this chart is not true because there are a lot of gaps as you can see. So I mean, Euro INR also gets traded in the I mean after 5:30 p.m. also in international. I mean the international chart shows you the real data for that. Red Tiger takes only the Indian portion of the data, and that is why you get most of that. But yes, you can trade it, but you need to know a lot of times these gaps. Uh, you need to have a clear chart to take at this. Okay? So to analyze on trades, I mean investing.com where you will get the international charts. So this is a QM and giving nice reactions. Let's see what happens next in Euro and I believe it can come down to this accumulation level. Okay, so that's Euro and a little bit of commodities we should also talk. I mean, let me check whether I can. Okay, so this is crude oil chart as we discussed in our last session. I mean last session on crude oil. Uh, okay, so we discussed where was we were here. That okay. We discussed this is a MIP which got angled, tried to return to it, and the hidden zone is giving its reaction. We said that okay, price wants to go up, and probably this is a distribution here with a break limit zone inside it. Okay, this is a break limit zone there. So supply break limit zone is there, and we expect price to go up till that level. So in between, I mean, we do not have MIP, so we do not have to worry about this level, which is as a hidden zone. But I expect this level here to give some reaction till this level. Okay, so this is a clear trade available in crude oil. I mean, one can take it and hold it for that much of time. So okay, so this is our MIP. Price did give one fill, and again it will come down a little, and then you can enter. There is a outside bar here, so it can come down deep inside there, and it will go up. I mean, I do not expect it to break. I do not expect it to break because there is nothing here which can stop the price. Okay, there is nothing here. Okay, one thing is here in this chart that there was a old QM which got ended, and probably that QM is giving this reaction. It is acting as a hidden trend. Can you all see? Low, high, low, low, high, high. So this is a QM in the price, and that got ended, and that is the reason this area is acting as a hidden gem. This is a daily, weekly QM what got ended. Now it is acting as a hidden zone. It gave one reaction. This is the second reaction it is giving. In fact, it got checked out, and now price is coming back. And I do not, I mean, price can become sideways between these two, but I do not expect it to actually uh, break my demand energy. Okay. Yes. I do not expect it to break my demand MIP. I expect price to move up to this area, this break limit, monthly break limit zone, where I have an outside bar with a small reaccumulation. I think that is going to give me some reaction. So what I can do, I can enter here and I can target that. This is my entry. So yes, 2.92 is the risk to reward, which we can get from this. I mean, C is to 1 can be achieved. Okay, this is the risk to reward you can achieve from this trade. Okay, uh, then further go down to daily and try to find out a good level inside that you can do. And then this is a MIP, and the MIP is acting as a hidden gem. I mean, daily. Now, why this is an MIP? As you can see, this is a low, which got checked out, and then price moved up, and then back. So this is an MIP. In fact, There is another low here which got checked out, price moved up and dropped. So this is an MIT David's reaction, price moved up. Now came down again, the reading zone was one reaction. We expect another reaction from this hidden zone, and I mean, I expect price to move up from this level. I do not expect it to break. Even I have this source of enlightenment. Okay, so I do not think it will break, but let's see what price does. My view will be always bullish in it. Okay. So for intraday traders, I mean, this is a place where they can think of taking a trade because this authentic zone got engulfed. This is the authentic zone that got engulfed here. So this area, I mean, this should give some reactions. At least this is a source of engulf for you. This is a source of engulf. So if you are taking trades here, you can expect this much of profit easily. 50, 60 points easily you can earn from this level. Okay. You can further go down to 5 minutes and you can take another trade. I mean, reduce the risk. I can take a trade at this level for the expectation of this. I mean, there is nothing in between which can stop the price. So nothing to fear. You can just, I mean, one can take a trade here. Just watch out. Okay. I do not expect it to break because if it breaks, price has to go down all the way because this is the last uh, area where price can be holded. So my expectation is it will be reaction for sure. Okay, that's all for crude oil. So we are seeing that market is opening flat 3.20. What are the companies which, so Tata Motors, surprise, something was there, unused deals, right? Some losses being declared, so 1600 crores or something. And today it is going to go down. Okay, but tell me, what is this? This is a low, right? Which got engulfed here, and there before that, I also have a low. I mean that got checked out, price moved up, and this low is engulfed. So what I have here, I have a MIP, right, with source of engulf and origin of engulf. Price just came up to it, gave, gave a reaction yesterday, and then this news has come. So because of this news, price is tapping down here. I expect it to go down further as discussed earlier as well. I am expecting because there is lot of compression. I am expecting Tata Motors to go down, and that is what is happening. This source of engulf and origin of engulf is giving its reaction. Tata Motors BBR again, the same thing. There is a break limit zone. There is a break limit zone. I came up to it, and the break limit zone is giving its reaction. Now in Tata Motors BBR, probably we have something here. Okay, we have a QM here, and if price comes down to this level, I expect some kind of a bounce or something happening there. Okay. So that is why I marked it. I will wait because level is too big. I will wait for a price action entry. I cannot take a trade. I mean, keeping my target beyond for this break limit zone. So I decided to get out before the QM gets tested. Okay. So this is Tata Motors DVR, and we cannot take any trade there. Bank Baroda, yes, it is tapping down right from this level. It's a flow gap happening. 551 is where it is tapping down. Can you take a trade? So if it is gapping down, it is tapping down to all these levels. And yes, intraday trades can be taken in Bank Baroda at this level. Small yes, okay, small yes. Okay, so this is a trade which can be taken because I think this is a accumulation here, right? And okay, so if you want, you can forward this low as well. You can forward it, and that will be the best idea to forward it. It shouldn't. Okay, so 70 paisa rest, you can take this trade.
Started.
Okay. So Bank Baroda gapping down and this trade can be executed I feel, and it's up to you whether you want to take that or you want to do your own analysis. And this is a trade I think you will get in. A lot of old knocking zones getting uh, alert. Okay, so this is a trade there in Bank Baroda. And Mindtree, okay, this is a trade plan, but this is not going to be played. What are the engineers saying? So this is also I marked, but not sure. There is a outside bar here, and there is level over level. So price has gapped up, and now trying to work out in engineering and to do the analysis. So this is what happening here. A hidden zone got created and price moved up from the hidden zone. So when I marked this zone, it was when price was here, right? And now price has come up, friends, after so many days. Okay, price has come up after so many days. So when price actually came up to my zone, at that time the entire scenario has changed. Okay, so this can happen that you have kept a zone, right? We have marked a beautiful zone. No doubt that it could have worked. But when price returned, there is there is a signal that the trend might have changed because this is a MIT in a way, though there is a takeout, but still, and it is acting as a hidden zone. And there is, apart from this, there is a lot of compression at the top. So the same zone may fail and price may move up as well. Yes, currently it is showing some kind of a resistance, but opposite to it, there is a there is a MIP firm with this gap up MIP firm. So even if I take this trade, I will have limited. I cannot have this much of target. I will have a limited target and 0.58. I'm not going to trade. I mean, I'm not going to put my money here. So the approach is so very important. You can mark zones, but you can only take them with the approach. If the approach is not good, you are not going to make money. Okay, so most of the scripts, those who gap down are now turning into uh, SRS. I mean, it stopped me out, right? It stopped me out, and look how it is moving up. Okay, sometimes you have to, I mean, deal with all of this. It is Granules is working fine and it is almost near to my target. I mean, there is a distribution and that is my target and almost, almost it is about to reach my target. IDFC Bank also, I had a trade planned here, but it engulfed the zone. I mean, it exactly created a diamond here, and now testing the diamond level, it is moving up. I expect it to give my target, but yes, it got stopped out and then it is moving up. Okay. So I have no data basically on the left, and that is why I was expecting a diamond, but I cannot give you the exact levels. That is why, I mean, I do not have any data and I do not, I was unable to trade the low. And yes, here MIP got ended, so this MIP should act as a hidden zone and this should take the price up. So if you want, you can trade it. Okay. If you want, you can trade it. Okay. So how will you trade it? You can go down here and you can keep your stop below this level. Okay. Security is this, target will be same. Okay. This is the target or maybe this one is the target. It is tested, okay. Then my target is correct. Okay. So this much, I mean, you can gain from this trade. The diamond has formed, as you can see, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Authentic zone also got engulfed. Price came down, breaks the low and lower low and creates another lower low. Then the diagonal trend line gets broken, MIP gets broken. So it's a clear trade there. Okay. So we have a level here and I don't think we'll get any kind of a. I mean, this was my trade. It got stopped out and then it was made. Sometimes happen. So this is a trade which can be executed if we get fill. You can take this. So this is. It will take time to price to move up. Okay. So this is a nice trade because there is a hidden zone and the hidden zone will certainly give its reaction. Okay. Price from Jolly will come down till this level because this is there. I mean, This is the diamond level. So diamond level, price can jolly well come down to it and then give its reaction. So a deep entry you can take, or you can aggressively enter here. It depends. So this is something is going to work, I am sure. This is a diamond and IDFC Bank. Then so Axis Bank has created a big outside bar, my dear friends, a bearish engulfment. So touching this, price may go down. Okay, touching this, price may go down. Okay, so intraday trade again, because we have something on the opposite side. Um, yeah, this is the outside bar here, which is fresh. But too big, you cannot take a trade there. It's too big, right? 14 points, not possible. Right? A lot of compression below, and that can take the price down. It will give a bounce from this level, and this level may take the price up to the outside bar. So, internet trades can be played here in Axis Bank. Hexaware, we have a reverse zone which got engulfed. This is the accumulation form, and the reverse zone got tested once, twice, price moved up. So in a way, this is there is no momentum candle, neither there is a gap, but looks like a QM short of him. Okay, so what happens? There is a hidden zone for sure, right? But that has worked already. So, and price gap down between these two. I expect this to be somewhere around 100 points. But before that, it can happen, price can come down very deep inside this level, and before moving up. Uh, this level can be traded. It is there in Hexaware, and I do not expect it to go down right now, but uh, that's because the hidden zone is tested couple of times. That is the reason I am not getting confidence. I am waiting for a price action entry to happen here to go in. I have not entered. I just marked the level and I am waiting. Okay. So as you can see, a little bit of compression there. There is a outside bar which I have marked here, and I am waiting. Okay. So till now there is no confirmation entry happened. Price is standing on this level, let it break, let it go to this level, and then only I will think of taking it. As of now, I do not have any price action entry happen here. So there is no price action happen. So in this chart, there is no price action, there is no trade. Because the level is tested couple of times. So a lot of Hemant says to be this is DVR. has checked both the TVR and Tata Motors, I think. Indigo Airlines, Indigo. So Indigo has shut down because of some news. So sure, that much of shutdown will not happen without a news. And where it is then, we can call this as a accumulation area. So this is the accumulation breakout. And inside accumulation we have this level here and lot of compression here. So price has capped down to this level. As you can see, it has checked out this level. It has checked out this level and giving reaction from the below level. So yes, maybe price wants to go up till this level, but I mean the trend is down and we have a lot of compression now here. So that can take the price further down. Okay, it can take the price further down in Indigo because the trend has not changed. Or what you can do if you are expecting that this reaccumulation, which is a tested one, I mean a series of tested zones are there. So what you can do, you could, I mean you can take a price action entry. Wait for something to happen here, then only take the trade because this is downtrend. Price has created distributions as well. Okay? Price has created distributions as well. So wait and watch. If something happens, if you are an investor, you want to go long, no problems. But wait for something to happen. Let price show you that yes, I am ready to go long. Then only take the trade. As of now, I am not recommending long trade. Titan. Okay, so Titan has engulfed this MIT, moved up, there is compression, it is going to come up till 965. Okay, so if it is going to come up till 965, I know, I mean, this can act as a hidden zone, but the level is too big, right? So what you can do, you can take a trade till that level, but find out a good level where you will be entering the trade. What I can see here, this entire hidden zone levels are tested. Okay, so they are all tested. Whatever price structures are there, they are all tested. So little difficult for us to trade this hidden zone. Yeah, one thing we can do, you can try to trade this break limit zone here. Looks nice. And yes, if price comes down, then you can take a trade here. Okay? And your target will be whatever hidden zone gets created here. So that is your target. Or you may target this. Okay? But what you will do, you will book a portion here because this will act as a hidden, I mean, reversal if price comes down so much. Okay, so this is one trade you can think of inside long, and once it reaches there, then we will think about stopping. So this is about Titan. Okay, So then we have Mindtree already discussed it, and I opened the Mindtree chart sometime back. Reliance and Cadillac. So Reliance no trade. We have the MIP. I have marked this MIP. I thought to give a trade. Just a second. So uh, Reliance we had a MIP. I thought it will give up. I mean entry, but it didn't give an entry. Actually, the base candles weak. It tested and moved up. We have another set of MIP got created there. Yes, if price comes down, looks like level over level, and you have to cover it, and you can take a trade there. Okay. We need to validate it again. The current MIP, how is it looks? So yes, a trade can be executed inside it. I mean here at this end, because this is a reaccumulation short of a zone. A trade can be executed here. Okay. So this is about real Reliance. Okay. And don't forget, Reliance is moving in a 90-degree manner. Okay. So this move will somewhere will stop. Okay. So
Piche
remember that.
60-minute zone also formed intraday, like early long 1160. Yeah, not that one. Yeah, down. Yeah, this one. Yes.
I mean, what kind of a zone is this?
BLZ.
Why it is a BLZ?
Because the SR
Because
is
of where is the SR? This is
the
a
previous.
single candle high. This is a single candle high. There is no swing. Is there a swing of price? This is a single candle high. The
I'm not
candle
connect.
moved up on.
I am not counting this. I was counting because I have marked the SR line, and that's why I was counting that in
No,
daily.
where is the SR? That is what I am asking. Okay. In Delhi there is a SR. Where is the SR? Show me. Delhi there is no SR. SR is here. Okay. So the point is, even if this is a candle which is having a high, this is a single candle. There is no swing happen. Okay. So this might happen because of some news. This flash movement happened. Okay. So we cannot take it, consider it. A single candle move up, down, we cannot consider it as a SR. We need to have price swings, right? Here there is no price swing. Maybe in a lower time frame, if you go, you will see a swing, right? You can see there is red candle, but we cannot take it as. I mean, it's a lower time frame, so the zone. What will happen? The zone may work for. I mean, here you can take a trade actually. This is a break-even zone in lower time frame, and you can take a trade here. There is a price swing. Now this will be a pure intraday trade. I mean, if you are taking a trade here, your target will be here. This is, I mean, this will act as a hidden zone because this is an MIP. Your target will be this much. Now, if you are an aggressive player, you can also trade this MIP as well. Okay, so if you want, you can go down to 5 minutes and you can take a trade there. I mean, if you want immediate trades. So understand, there can be a trade, but the trade will be very, very small trade. Okay.
Okay, PG. And Kadila, I was looking for long. It has created a reverse zone also. Now it's bouncing. Uh,
Okay. So clearly we see, I mean, price creating reaccumulations. Acceleration is also been seen, right? Let me draw it as well. Okay. So there is a lot of acceleration. I can draw another acceleration line here. It got broken, price moved up and now dropping. So now everything is tested. Price is standing on this accumulation here. Okay, and this accumulation is giving its bounce probably, yes. So from the bottom of this accumulation, the bounce is coming. Okay. Now in current time, what happened? There is a MIP here in the chart, and that MIP got engulfed. Price immediately came back. The hidden zone is giving its reaction, and price is moving up. Okay, so expectation, yes, the hidden zone could have been traded. A lot of compression is there, but understand another thing: price is making sideways move. Okay, so the maximum target as of now can be this. Can be this. Okay, so I expect Cadilla to move and between these two now, and then we will think what can be done. So if you want to take a trade, you can take a trade from here to 425 points. You can easily earn in Cadilla by going long. Okay, so yeah, any further questions? You have missed this hidden zone. You could have traded it. In that case, you would have earned 40, 45
but
rupees.
PG, now where to take the entry? 376 that is also tested.
I mean, everything got tested. Means price is moved up already, right? So you have to wait for another zone to form. Everything is tested. I mean, this outside bar, you can think of trading if price comes down. In fact, that is also tested, but deep inside it can be stored. This area also can give bounce, okay?
Yeah, I was thinking of this area, 373.
Yeah, this area can also give bounce. Okay, so, and this is the max profit you can earn from this chart, okay? So, all the supplies in 60 minutes, these are intraday, okay? So, intraday, this is a zone where maximum, I mean, if you are entering here, your target will be this, okay? Not beyond. So, this is what is there in this chart. Okay, so Cadilla, this is the levels. Okay.
Because it is not retraced to the reverse zone. Actually, I was waiting for that
No,
retracement.
reverse zone it will not come now. There is a clear MIP. Understand this. Now this is one question. Many times earlier also many of you have. When price will come bounce from hidden zone and when price will bounce from reverse zone. Yeah. So understand, when there is a pure V-shaped MIP, okay, and price is engulfing it, this MIP will always give a hidden zone bounce. Price will not come to the reverse zone. Okay, at least first it will give a bounce from here. The same thing if the MIP is something like, many people take like this, right? You know, and if this is you are counting as MIP, what will happen? It will break. Even this will have a authentic zone break, and then in this case, price will come down to a reverse zone. Okay, so the difference is this: if you check any chart, you will see wherever there is a pure V, like this one, it's a pure V. Okay, and the hidden zone did work. Okay, so this is one thing I have taught you already about looking for MIPs as a V-shaped thing. Okay.
Okay, Vijay, yeah, I'll just take it. Put this in write this in my book about this point.
Mhm. One day you will also write a book, I think. The day you are taking notes, one day you will be writing. Anyways, friends, there is a thing about Sonia. Sonia was telling me that she is not doing well, right? And she was very upset and frustrated. Okay. Now what happened? I asked her to bring all her analysis, and I asked her to put it into an Excel sheet and give it to me, right? So she put all her trades, whatever she analyzed in July month, I mean last month, and she gave it to me. Now, what happened? That Excel sheet is telling me that if she would have taken all the trades, whatever was there, right? Then only one trade was there which got stopped out, and rest two trades were there. I mean, out of 10 trades, one got stopped out, two there was no fill. Rest all has worked. Now tell me how I will, help Sonia. Am I in a position to help her? I mean, uh, she's doing wonderful, but she is not aware of that. Why she is not aware? Because she is not putting all the trades in a log. So trade log is so very important. That tells you what exactly you are doing. Otherwise, everything is in your mind, and the mind plays game. Okay, so this is right. So this is something I wanted to tell all of you, and as well as Sonia. Now it's time that uh, I mean you are doing really well. You should follow the analysis and look almost there. Your analysis are perfect, and soon you will see a lot of trades happening. What you need to do is you need to take all the trades with a fixed position size. I mean, not do not go for more than 1000. And take all the trades, whatever you analyze. Okay, so this is what you are going to do, and everyone. Right? So I have no words actually. Now what will I say? Somebody is doing so well, and still, she is, uh, I mean, she is keeping her old memories intact. That is something she needs to work out and get rid of. But I am sure she will be doing that very soon, because she is doing really good trades. Like Grasim, she has, in a live session, she showed us that trade. Then Bank of Baroda, then many such trades we have discussed, right? Okay. So Bank India is near to this level. I mean, I have marked a shorting level here. Unfortunately, it dropped before that. I marked this pro gap. I thought level over level is there. There is a outside bar, but I thought level over level. Why to go here? If I go here, then I am putting out too much of risk. But what happened? I eventually missed the trade. A big trade, man. A big trade. Okay, I missed this trade. Now you can go long, no doubt about it. Think about it, and I expect price to oscillate between these two. Price should go sideways here, and if it is a sideways, like in this case, wherever you are finding it is sideways, yes, Sampath, you can take triangles. Okay, short triangles. Uh, yes, you can. Okay.
Hi PG. So on
Yeah.
60 minute actually there is an engulf of MIP, demand MIP.
Yeah, that's okay. You can take a short trade there.
Yeah, short. That
You
is the
can,
short trade actually I planned for.
yeah, you plan, you take a short trade here till this level, not beyond this level, okay?
Okay.
So, this is a intraday trade available there,
Yes, yes.
okay? So, that you can always do, no problems,
Okay.
okay? Yes, if once, no PG, you have to show me the mind trade chart, so I am preparing it, okay? So, Mindtree has a pro gap here, expecting this pro gap to give some reaction. It is moving in a channel, and I mean level over level it can come down beyond it, right? I was expecting it to give some kind of a reaction from this level, right? Because this level is not yet tested. Somewhere from here it will again come down. It has to come down. It cannot go up just from. I mean, if it is going up from nowhere, then I mean, it has to come down as well. It will not go up straight away and make a new high. That is not possible. Okay, so let's see where it stops. It may want to come up to this level. Okay, it may want to come up to this level and then it will go down. In lower time frame, in 60 minutes, I previously planned this outside bar, but looking into the approach, I said we will not take a trade there. Okay, so yes, if price goes up, let's see where from it gives a bounce. I mean, it gives a drop. Our authentic zone got engulfed, but we do not have any zone here. So this is a intraday trade maybe happening there, but not a big trade. Okay. So friends, that's it for the day. Thank you very much for joining. I hope I have answered all of your queries. Uh, okay. Thank you very much for joining, and do send your feedbacks and your ratings. Your feedbacks and ratings are very important for me. Thank you very much. Please do it in my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye bye.
Started.